Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to do this kind of a really beachy, festive ponytail look for the holidays. It has a little bit of volume up here and then of course volume near the ponytail. This is the first time I'm doing a tutorial like this. It was really tough to film this tutorial, so I hope you guys will like it. I hope you guys will be able to follow the steps that I used. I was going for a really poofy ponytail look, which was really fun and playful for the holidays. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Okay guys, so we'll get started with our hair tutorial. So this is the inspiration for my hair tutorial today. I want to do this kind of bouffant look with the ponytail. This kind of a hairstyle looks really sleek and really fun, and just looks like you kind of put it together in a quick second, although it will take some time to get this look. So I've already curled my hair. As you can see, it is pretty just wavy, there's not much here. I have not put much effort in curling my hair because you want the hairstyle to look effortless. You don't want it to look too curled or too proper. So I curled my hair using a 1-inch curling iron, and I might do a tutorial on this someday if you guys are interested, but it's really simple, so I didn't show you guys this part of the tutorial. So I do have 2 combs here. This one looks more to be the teasing comb for me, and I'll also try it with this one, but first we're going to use this one. In order to tease your hair, you have to section off your hair. So that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to leave my bangs out. The teasing has to be on this portion, not necessarily on the side. Now this may not be as perfect as the end, but let's hope. I've sectioned off my hair like this, and then I'm going to just tease, right? I hope you guys can see that. I'm going to use this Tresemme hairspray, which is extra hold. I'm just going to spray it here. So we're just going to leave that right now, right? So take a piece of hair like this, right? And use the brush again. Tease it a lot like that. Doesn't need to be perfect, okay? And then just spray it. Okay, and then just leave it. The front sections, you don't need to do much here because you just need to do it on the top. So take a little piece here and just so what we're going to do is do a regular ponytail, right? So we do want this kind of poof here, but we want a regular ponytail as well, with all these like front pieces, right? Like that. You're going to take like one piece away at the bottom. So you can see I've taken out this one piece here at the bottom, which will wrap around our hair a little bit later. So I have a rubber band here. It's a black rubber band. Just tie it, right? Just tie a good knot. Tied a good knot here. We're going to do this as well, right? Tease the hair. We're going to take this piece right now and we're going to wrap it around that hair piece. Now I'm going to take a clip and just secure that with a bobby pin. We're going to secure with the bobby pin. You also need this side to be going up. Now we have to fix our ponytail a little bit because it looks really flat. So what we're gonna do is just do this, right? So definitely tease the bottom half like that, right? And again, this is supposed to look messy. If you don't like it so messy, you can leave it. But it was looking really flat. So that from the side it looks really nice, right? What you can do is you can also spray the comb. And the little flyaways just work through, so it looks a little clean. I'm just going to comb these, spoof it up a little bit. The last part of this tutorial is really fun. I have these clips here that I got from Amazon. I'm just going to pick 3 or 4 of these clips and then put them on either side of my hair. Just because, you know, it's a festive look, so I do want to have some bling in my hair. I'm gonna take this clip here. And you can have fun with these, right? So I'm gonna take this one and typically just put it at the back. I'm going to take these 2 clips as well. I'm maybe gonna put it at the back. Take this clip right here. I'm gonna do a little rotation and you guys can see how my final look is for my hair. Alright guys, so that's it. That completes today's video on this hair tutorial right here. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, share, subscribe to my channel so that you can come back here for more good content. Have a great day or night wherever you are, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!